Introducing the UMA Racing M5 ECU. This ECU is easy to use and it provides you with the ability of easy tuning through smartphones or laptops. The smart electronic computer with programmable chip is designed to give you flexible customization over your machine. Here, we will demonstrate step by step on how to install the M5 ECU to your machine. The first step is to loosen and unscrew the front panel. And then, remove the front panel and unscrew and remove the inner panel. Locate and unplug the standard ECU. Once removed, plug in the UMA M5 ECU. Connect the B-LINK to M5 ECU. Secure and fasten your M5 ECU and B-LINK. Turn on the ignition key and check for connectivity lights. Now, let's take a look on how to install the rest of the components. You will need the AFR module, the main wiring harness, O2 sensor, sub-wiring harness, and for main wiring harness with 3 connectors, this is meant for battery terminal connection. This is for O2 sensor, and this is to connect to AFR module. To start, there are 2 options. Option A, connect the main wiring harness to the battery terminal, or option B, remove the battery terminal and connect to ECU. Next, screw in the O2 sensor into the exhaust and connect the O2 sensor to the main wire harness. Disconnect the B-LINK and plug in the 122 cable extender. Plug in the B-LINK into 122 cable extender. Now connect the AFR module to main wire harness. Then connect the sub-wire harness to 122 cable extender. And then connect the sub-wire harness to AFR module. Now turn on the ignition key and check for connectivity lights for ECU, B-LINK and AFR. Tie up any extra or loose cables and make sure the wires are free from touching any moving parts. We have concluded on the installation of the UMA M5 ECU. Stay tuned for part 2 where we show on how to use the UMA Tune app.